and welcome to this X8R video. My name's Georgina and I'm the Product Development Manager here at X8R. Today I'm here to introduce you to our all new Transit Custom van door shields in matte black. These are suitable for all first generation Ford Transit Customs. We have been selling our stainless steel van door shields since their inception in June of 2023. And in those short 18 months, we have sold thousands of van door shields. They have quickly become one of our best-selling products, with hundreds of 5-star reviews to show for it. We often receive messages asking if we provide our van door shields in various colours. Although our shields can easily be primed, painted and lacquered, we realised that a lot of our customers did want the shields in matte black. And we are proud to now present our shields in powder-coated matte black. We chose to powder coat our shields because this is more durable than paint, and powder coating is resistant to chipping, fading and scratching. Powder coating can also resist extreme weather conditions and is resistant to corrosion, oils and harsh chemicals. If you prefer a gloss finish, you can easily cover it in a gloss lacquer to achieve the desired results. Our van door shields also come with a handy downloadable instruction guide, which can be found by scanning the QR code on the packaging. We also have handy video tutorials available here on YouTube. Our van door shields also come with a unique interior plate, which adds another level of protection, as well as a water-resistant closed cell foam gasket to stop any rust or corrosion. You will also receive a bag with high-quality stainless steel washers and nylock nuts for fitting. You will also receive a drilling template to align to the door for accurate drilling. To purchase these products, or to check out our downloadable instruction guide, or to watch our YouTube tutorials, please click the link in the description below. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to contact us on the telephone number or email address on the screen.